Hey, it's your boy, Majava Energy, aka Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Give me three things, man. I got a question that came to me, someone that's new in the business, and they wanted to know like how should they move forward, and do they actually need a company to get started? No, you do not need a company, man. As long as you know, my first couple contracts, pretty sure I did them up under my personal name. So first and foremost, no, you do not need a legal company in order to start wholesaling or doing real estate transactions. You can do and get paid in your personal name. Second, Second thing you want to do, man, is you do need a bank account. Yes, you need a bank account. There's no way that you're going to be able to cash a check or go and get a check cash for over $10,000 and walk out with the cash. Very seldom. I was able to do it a couple different times, but typically those type of transactions, man, you definitely got to have a bank account in order to either deposit it or most of the time you're going to have to deposit it. Very seldom will banks just cash checks over $10,000. Uh, Third thing is no, you do not need an attorney, and no, you do not have to have a uh, realtor in order to do these type of transactions. No, you do not have to be licensed. You know, it's a big stigma that, you know, in order to do a real estate transaction, you have to have a license. No, you do not have to have a license. I'm not licensed, never been licensed. I thought about getting licensed only because I wanted to open a brokerage, but no, you do not need a company entity in order to do a real estate transaction. Yes, you will need a bank account in order to uh, cash checks and things like that. You know, typically if you're doing big deals, yes, you got to have a bank account. And no, you do not have to be a licensed real estate um, agent in order to facilitate transactions. It's a lot of rules that's changing and things like that, but for time being, right now, December 2020, no, those things, as I explained them, are okay to operate in that manner. Use the info, use the knowledge, man. Don't be scared. Get out there, get it, man. Push the line, man. Keep pushing the line. You know, keep your blinders on, man. Don't, look for inspiration, man. But ultimately, at the end of the day, you got to get out there and do it. It's your boy, man. Hey, at the end of this, click the link. Subscribe to the channel, man. Definitely gonna be dropping content day after day. Week after week, man. I'm not stopping. I'm not giving up. And ultimately, man, I'm looking to change the life of at least 50 people, man. Like that's what hands on, and if that number grows, substantially more than that, hey, I've accomplished something big, But this is what I'm looking to do, man. I'm looking to improvise, educate. I'm looking to educate those around me to know that, like, it just doesn't pertain to real estate. Like, yes, we're speaking real estate, but this is life business 101. Get out there and do it, man. Be great. Go kill the day, man. And I salute y'all, man. Keep pushing. It's your boy, Majai Vernon, aka Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur, giving you the news, the blues, and the clues, man, to get your money right. Ultimately, change that paradigm shift. Change the mindset, man. And ultimately, at the end of the day, why do we do what we do? It's no longer about the why. It's about what's the reason. What's the reason we do what we do? Ultimately, to change the mindset in the household, to change that generational curses that we've been accustomed to growing up, and ultimately be happy and change the narrative of the generations to come. Financial literacy is very big. Educating ourselves, man, and ultimately just want that whole um, legacy to reflect the hard effort and workmanship that we put into it over the years. So go grab you some merch, man. Click the link. It's all in the bio. It's all in the description, man. What's the reason? The latest, hottest, entrepreneur brand, man. Go get you some merch. Face mask, $10, $15, depending on which ones. We got the shirts going on, man. Right now you can get the shirts for 20. I think they're on sale for $22. Might be 20. I know they had a Black Friday special, but you know, get you some merch. Get you some merch. Like when this right here, man, says it all. What's the reason? What's the reason we do what we do? That's a powerful statement. It's no longer about the why. You got to understand that the why is something that can be you know, it's interchangeable. You know, the why was this, the why was that. What's the reason? What's the reason? What's the reason is solid. It can't be changed. That can't be changed. What's the reason? I am a cancer survivor. That's definitive. That's definite. I am a fighter. That's definite. I don't stop fighting. So it's no longer about the why. It's about what's the reason. What's the reason we do what we do? Powerful. Our words are our GPS to reality. Thank you.